I will talk about how can you pay on your Groupon app, how can you pay tickets or this. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just scrolling down here until you will find here this tickets here, and can you select tickets you want to pay. Just click on this here. For example, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on pay now here. So then it's going to add into your cards. Then just switch into open with you here. So you just switch into open with you in this list. Then you click here on pay with here. So when you just click on pay, it's going to show for you a list like this. And here you click on continue here to add your card to pay. When you add to your cards, then it's going to pay with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.